All aboard the ABC train, rolling down the learning lane.
Let's just hop on one by one, riding the tracks, having fun.
Choo-choo, let's go!
I says I'm apple pie, sweet and round, give me a try. B says bop, I'm bouncing ball. Boing, 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 I bounce for all.
She says cup,
I'm crazy cat. Meow, 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 just imagine that.
D says duh,
I'm drumming dog, drumming fast on a fallen log.
E says E,
I'm an elephant with a trunk that's elegant. F is a fox with a funny face, running in a silly race. G is a goat that sings and spins, dancing as the train begins. H is a hippo in a hat, wiggle and wobble, imagine that. I is an iguana so icy cool, chilling by a jungle pool. J is a jellyfish that glows at night, wiggling through the ocean light. K is a kangaroo that kicks and hops, bouncing high and never stops. L is a lion with a laugh so loud, roaring proudly, feeling proud. M is a mouse on a motorbike, zooming down a mountain hike. N is a narwhal in the sea, swimming along so merrily. O is an octopus with 8 arms, waving hello with all its charm. P is a penguin that loves to slide on snowy hills, it loves to glide. Q is a quail with a quirky walk, tip-tap-toes and a little squawk. R is a rabbit with rocket shoes, zoom into the sky, what a view. S is a snake that slithers slow, wiggling through the weeds below. T is a turtle with a tiny train, pulling cars through sun and rain. U is an umbrella flying high, floating like a kite in the sky. V is a vulture that plays guitar, singing songs from near and far. W is a whale who loves to dance, spinning around in a bubble trance. X is a xylophone with shiny keys, playing music in the breeze. Y is a yak who yells yippee, clapping hooves with so much glee. Z is a zebra with zigzag stripes, racing down in zippy tights. Now you've met the alphabet crew, each letter with a job to do. Riding the train from A to Z, learning is fun, can't you see?